We at CBOQ Youth are wanting to do our best to ensure that the registration process for Avalanche and Blizzard retreats at Muskoka Woods this winter is made simple for you. To do this, follow these few steps to register. Number 1. Download the registration package at cboqyouth.ca/avalanche or cboqyouth.ca/blizzard. All the details and forms are available here, so make sure you read it all. Number 2. Figure out who's going. Avalanche is for students in grades 6 to 8, while Blizzard is for students in grades 9 to 12. Number 3. Call 416-620-2957 to leave your name, church name, phone number, email address, the number of spots including both students and leaders, and which retreat weekend you're registering for, Avalanche, Blizzard 1, or Blizzard 2. We'll confirm your reservation within 3 days. Number 4. Finish by completing the registration form by mail, fax, or online at cboqyouth.ca/avalanche or cboqyouth.ca/blizzard. You can mail a check for your deposit or pay with Visa or MasterCard online. Number 5. We'll send you a confirmation and more details in the weeks to come. If you have any questions, contact Alvin at 416-620-2946 or at alau@baptist.ca. See you at Avalanche and Blizzard this winter.